All right, so just a quick video. Finally got the shocks in for the Discovery. Got them in yesterday, and I couldn't put the RTE lift kit on until I had them because the shock mounts totally different with this kit than it does on the Terra Firma kit that I've got on the truck right now. It's got those through rod type mounts. What's the matter? It's got those through rod type mounts that are pushed in, and what's the matter? And yeah, this is just a different system altogether. So anyway, finally got them in, go to put them in, and I notice that there's a gaping hole instead of a completed heim joint on the shocks on all four. So had to stop what I was doing, put everything back together on the truck, get a hold of Rover Time, Simon, and yeah, there's a poly bushing that's on its way. So anyway, not a big deal. Just had to put the car back together, which was fun. And yeah, so anyway, I'll be getting those and can wrap this up finally. I'm hoping probably won't be this weekend, but sometime next week. So should be fun. Apparently the back shocks, these two, are a total pain in the ass, or the back springs rather, are a total pain in the ass to put on. Have to work some magic with that. But the good thing is I can get rid of the spacers that are on now. I've got 1-inch spacer blocks on all four bottom mounts to get me up to the right around 4.5, 5-inch height that I'm at now. These get rid of that. These are supposedly a better ride, and the shocks are obviously way better. These are Bilstein 7100 series. They're pretty sweet reservoirs. I've got to figure out where to mount those. I think the front I have a good spot. The back I don't know what I'm going to do yet. And yeah, just a better kit altogether, all the way around. So anyway, that was going to be this weekend's project, but that's on hold. And now I got to figure out why the truck is cutting out on me. I was running some errands yesterday, and when you're driving, if you're hitting rough pavement, which there's a lot here in LA, the truck is cutting out. In fact, on one street, one intersection, it completely cut out, and I didn't even know the truck was dead. And I go to take off from the green light, and there's just nothing there. And I look down, all the lights are on. So something going on with the electrical or the ignition. I got to figure it out. Not fun. So that's the task for today. I'll probably have another video up about that once I figure it out, and we will go from there. All right. I will talk to you guys all later. See ya.